Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Get a little dancer down. What's good, Liar Gang? Hey, we back in this thing going another one. So today, y'all, we're going to be eating Jollibee again. This is our favorite. This ain't your favorite thing, Jollibee? Yeah. Y'all know she loves some spaghetti, man. Ooh, that thing looking good. Oh, you already about to turn up. Hold on, I gotta show them. I gotta show them the food we got. And then we got some. This time I actually got some original chicken that's not spicy. So the last time we had it was too spicy. Me and her couldn't eat it, so I got the original. Ooh, this hot. All right. Yeah, it's hot. Can I chop it up real quick? Can I chop it up for you? Yeah, I gotta chop it up because I don't want you to eat the whole noodle. You gotta make sure you blow it because it's hot. It's hot. Mm-hmm. Hot. And hopefully I can see it because this is like a new setup. As I said, it's hot. Let me scoot the table back some. You gotta make sure you blow it. Okay? Is it good? Okay. That thing good, ain't it? Ooh. Yeah, that thing good. You want some chicken too? All right. I can actually leave the chicken on, the skin on for you. That's good, ain't it? So if y'all didn't know, we actually moved. So Maya and Bree and Aaliyah are actually staying with Lateria, their mom, and should keep them for a week, and then I'll keep them for a week. Oh, you throwing down? Well, that's really good, ain't it? You didn't even talk to him. So this is like the first time I've seen him about a week. Ooh. So you know I had to get that spaghetti for her. That Jollibee because she loves Jollibee. It's real good, ain't it? You gotta try with that chicken. Try with the chicken. That thing good, ain't it? Oh my God. Yeah. That is so good. Oh, you know what? I forgot the gravy. That's what it was. We was dipping that chicken in the gravy. That's what it was. Yeah. We had the gravy to dip it in though. Maybe that a hot dog? Yeah, I think that is. Oh, a hot dog. You got it? Oh, good. You doing big girl bites. Okay. It's good, ain't it? Yeah. I'm gonna let you try the banana pie when you finish. Yeah. Because you're doing good. You eating more? Okay. Let me find out. Big girl, okay. There you go. There you go. Keep reeling it in. There you go. Yeah. It's really good. It's got this. It's well seasoned. You got 3 more bites. Look at that. Oh Oh man, good job. There you go. Yeah, just take it off the fork. At that point, just take it off the fork. You ain't even gotta.
More.
You want more? Oh, okay. Say less. Say, I'm gonna give you a little sauce on there. I gotta give you a little some sauce. There you go. Ooh. Oh, now this hot. That's hot. Let me cut that real quick. Let me cut it for you. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it to make it easier so when you eating it, you better put it on the fork. There you go. All right, it's hot. You gotta make sure you blow. This is hot. You got a little cheese on there. You blow? Is it hot? Yeah, more than that. Eat that. I give you some more. This is ours. All this ours. It's got the texture of it is really good. It's not too salty. They put a good amount of seasoning in it, didn't they? There you go. Yeah, you gotta lean into it. There you go. Gotta use your fingers. That's how you eat. You like this spaghetti, or you like cheeseburgers? Oh, there you go. Oh, you going for the big bites. Oh, you going to work right now. You ain't playing no games. You ain't playing no games. Okay. You trying to out-eat Diddy? You trying to out-eat Daddy? Is that what you trying to do? Okay. Big girl bite. There you go. Throw it. Okay. Okay. Let me wipe your mouth real quick. There you go. Now you can reset. There you go. Now you can go back in. Now get your hand. There you go. You were putting in that work. Was getting active with that spaghetti. Okay. There you go. Go in. Let's go in. Okay. The noodle almost came out. You got more on there. Yeah, we still got this one, and then we got the chicken right here, and then we still got the banana pies. There you go. We got a whole bunch. We can share about all of it. We good. It's just us eating it. Huh? You want more? All right. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's a lot right there. Yes, ma'am. And what else happened when you had seen that spaghetti on there? Yeah, I gotta say, Jollibee got that. Yeah, Jollibee spaghetti is on point. Get the hot dog out of there. That's like I give it a 10 out of 10. That's a 10 out of 10. That thing good. It's good? That thing good. Oh, that's really good. That's good. That's my chicken right there. I'm showing you how to change the game up right here. This is what you gotta do. Well, the secret is you gotta bite the chicken and then you gotta eat the spaghetti with it. You know what I'm saying? So I get the chicken. You're gonna give me a whole bunch of noodles with some sauce on it. You know. You get a little dancer down. Yeah. That's a lot of noodles. Is it good? It's good noodles with good sauce on them. Like, look at all the sauce on it. It's like really sweet. Yeah, really sweet. It's like the perfect cheese on there, perfect sauce, and it's just like sweet. It's like really good. Yeah, that's like your third plate. Oh, big girl. Tell her to put some respect on your name. See, I'm eating my food now. You gotta let them know you don't grow up. I don't make a mess. I think she down there eating some I think they eat mashed potatoes, steak, and corn. Yeah. Oh, you trying to make sure I'm still eating? Oh yeah, I'm eating. Whenever you done, I'm done. If you ain't done, let's keep eating. There you go. Yeah. You gonna blow it up for me? There you go, blow it up for me. Oh, you wanna take a bite? There you go. Ooh. Is that a hot pot?
No, Maya.
Is that Maya? Let me see.
Maya.
It's
Maya.
That was Maya's chicken?
Ow.
Oh. Oh, Maya. There you go. There you go. That's how you get it. That's how you eat it. You got a big one like this? You get it? Oh, you got some on your nose? There you go. You want some water?
Yeah.
There you go. Come on. There you go. There you go. Come on. There you go. There you go. Whoop. There you go. There. It's all good. There you go. All right, take your time. Take your time. Let me wipe your mouth. What's in your hand? Yeah, there you go. Yep, all clean. There you go. It's all clean. Alright, y'all, so it's gonna be the first time, even though this ain't new, but it's gonna be the first time us trying this banana pie. I ain't even gonna say the name because I know I'm messing it up. Ooh. Ooh. Can Daddy get the first? Can I get the first bite? I just wanna make sure it's good. Let me take the first bite. What it tastes like? Is it good? It's good? Oh man. Oh. You need some water? So it's a little dry. Y'all, she said it's a little dry, so she wanted to get some water. So you say it's alright? It's good? It's good? Alright, let me try. Can I try? Can I take a bite? Alright, here we go. This is my first time trying this. At least I can bite it. Yeah, alright. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I ain't really too a big fan of this, but it's not nasty. You want more? Alright. It's not nasty. Oh, it's not nasty. You know what? It ain't nasty. It's not that bad. But I mean I can't eat it though. That's too sweet for me. You want some more? Alright, well Daddy done, so. Yeah, Daddy done. I can't eat no more. I done ate by that whole spaghetti. Yay. Yay. This is your 5th plate. This is crazy. You want chicken? You want some chicken? Alright, let me see if I can eat some chicken. Yeah. Alright, I'll put that chicken right there. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then what else? And what else had happened when you did that though? Mm-hmm. And then. Yeah. Mm-hmm. That's what I had said. That's what I'm telling you. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh wow.
That's what I said. I said, oh wow. I was like, I can't believe she did that. That's the same thing I had said. I was like, oh my gosh. I can't believe she done did that. There you go. I gotta eat. I'm full. Daddy, stomach about to pop. Alright, y'all. So we're gonna end it here. I'm full. I can't eat no more. But you know what? I want to try actually some Indian food with her. I want to see how she do with that. Yeah. Want to eat some Indian food next time? You full? You want this? You don't want it? You done? You done? You good?
Bye.
Okay. Alright, so the next thing we'll probably eat is some Indian food. Try to, I'm gonna let her test it out, see how she is, and you know, she'll let you know if it's good or not. So that's probably the next thing we're gonna do. So if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like button, turn your post notifications on so you're not missing a video from us. You gonna say bye? You just said bye 2 seconds ago. Yeah, you just said bye 2 seconds ago. You're like, bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. There we go.